use your hand to me, even just pointing.
Wait, you know what? I point to one eye.
No, don't. Puro na lang mahal. Mahal na at wala namang forever.
That's what you get. It's like
Oh, what is this? Guys, may maisan pala dito, guys. Wala, may maisan man dito, guys. Guys, he said, I have an ugly test. I said, don't say that because you're one of them.
Good morning, Philippines!
What is it, Rox? Roxy, what is it? Hmm? Good morning, guys. Today is, what is today, honey? Yeah, Tuesday. And, So, yeah, hi po sa inyo. Good morning. Tapos na kaming kumain. Yung kinain namin is leftover from yesterday sa Big Lots. No, leftover from, not Big Lots. Leftover from, where is that, huh? IHOP. So, ngayon, nanonood lang kami ng Angel of what? Oh, that's why Angel. So, nanonood kami. Nandun si Tami. Nandun si Roxy na sa labas. So, early in the morning. So, ngayon is 8:35 na. And ko lang nag-edit ng video ng sister ko. And then, I'm going to the garage to get the furniture back in here while Tom is here. Really, good morning.
Cover the bases, I mean, you know. What's wrong with that? Faith is not about covering your bases. Faith is about trusting.
Angels, guys. Angels talking. Do you wanna go get Dada? Where is he? Where is he, love, love, love? Where is he, love, love? Yachayash. Anto sharoy. Antura suy na. Antura suy na ray. Antura suy. Antura suy. Okay, guys. We've just been watching this angel. No, I cried twice. Okay. Okay, no dogs can get out because you guys have a big mouthpiece, okay? Han, I like the show, Han. It's just I'm so busy with my film.
They're all the same.
They're all the same angels, same story, cry, cry. Cry, cry. So, punta lang kami sa garage para linisin yung ano. Okay. Linisin yung... Gusto ko nang ilagay itong cabinet doon sa master closet namin para meron na akong lalagyan ng underwear. Saka anik ka lang. Daming anik-anik dito. Eh. Hala. This is bad, Daddy. Can you give me that box, the box on top? The big one. Give me the bike.
No, we gotta go with the ladder anyway, so just...
Okay, move this ladder kind of sideways. This one
Must be a lot of spider, yeah, on that side. Must be a lot of spiders, because look at all the dead flies at the top, one spider eating them all.
So there is a key of this.
Very what?
Oh, how about that red thing over there? Right here, on your side, right side.
On my
Right
right
side. Behind you. So guys. Yan, ito siya. Linisin natin to. Here's the broom.
Because I can see them underneath. Well, I was trying to not have a slide, but you're just sitting there with the pro. I mean, you I knew once I got too much angle, it was going to slide on.
Tapos. Nilagay na namin sa closet. Ito yung ginamit namin pero it doesn't work. I like the pledge. Sami said he like the yellow gold, whatever gold. Liquid gold.
Way better than pledge.
Okay guys, agis sasama ako sa asawa ko guys, nabungingo. Tayo guys. Ay, ang dami kong gagawin pero itong si Tami. Pero next week is maging busy tayo kasi mag-impake kami sa isang bahay, mag-rent si Tami ng U-Haul na truck. And then, yun, mag-impake and dalhin kung anong dapat dalhin dito. So ngayon, magre-ready. Dito na tayo sa filming room. And ang dami kong lilinisin before sa mga tao dumating. Dito sa filming room, dito kami ni Tami matutulog. Linisin ko yung mga bathroom. Linis na yan guys, pero gusto kong i-scrub. Ganyan yan pag may tao, pag may bisita, i-scrub talaga natin. But anyway, ayaw kong sumama pero walang choice. Kasi gusto kong makasama yung asawa ko. Okay. Hello guys! Muntik na ko kayong nagpabayaan dito sa taas. Nakalimutan ko, paalis na kami. Ito yung yawi, yung cellphone, yung candy kasi nagutom ako. May candy dito. Lunchtime na kasi and wala. Alis na kami. So yun. Nagutom ako guys.
The ladder back. We'll do it right into it.
There's nothing in there for now.
Put it over there.
Yeah, I know, but there's nothing there now.
I don't think so. Why, was something else there?
The rug that I put over there.
Over there.
Don't move yet. Oh, you get the eggplant thing going. Okay, so hi. What? What?
You shocked me, huh?
What?
You actually said hello to someone.
I said always hi if I'm alone.
You don't say hi to people.
No, seriously?
Yeah,
I always I say hi to
just give them
people.
looks.
No. I do hi. I don't say hi to guys. I do hi to women. And I smile. Here. I don't know what place is this. This is the place that we get some. Wala, it's busy here.
Got some halal?
We get some.
No, you can buy halal in a sandwich. Halal
Wala, what's up? Don't point me. I'm pissed already
Don't
last
yell,
time.
huh?
Don't point
No,
me and
I'll put you.
don't ever use your hand to me, even just
Ay.
pointing.
I put you on.
No, don't. You cannot hit me. You never did, but I don't like that
I
pointing.
point. You hit me all high. What the heck?
No, that's a wife thingy.
Oh, that's okay.
No, that's a wife job, Tommy.
Oh, hitting is a wife's job. I got it.
Guys, hit your husband. Just kidding. This is a Filipino thing. Even we are so happy or mad, we always like to do.
No, you ain't hard. Not like that. Who you kidding?
No, if we are happy, we do like, oh my god, it hurts. Yeah, but happiness.
She punched me in the stomach, punched me in the private, punched me like all over the place. Really happy my butt.
No, I don't really punk you like hard, Tommy. I don't do it. I just do like this. Oh, kita. Oh, kita. Oh, kita.
Next time I show you the bruises, guys.
Roses. You know what, hon? You're telling me that I'm a battered wife. What? You're a battered
Oh, you're a
husband.
battery wife.
Yeah, you're a battered husband, but
A
butter.
butter husband? I don't even
Sugar. Anyway, so how much you pay for this sandwiches?
$30.
They're
These
fucking
sandwiches, $30.
expensive.
Yeah, it's cheap anymore.
Ha?
Not cheap.
Wala na ang cheap ngayong araw na ito. Ngayong panahon na yun guys, wala na ang mura. Puro na lang mahal. Mahal na ito. Wala namang forever.
That's what you get. At least I get on a place in Queens.
At end of the road,
I get
turn left onto County Road 21.
The big one, son.
Jackson Road.
Killer sandwich.
I remember
That's
that.
the best sandwich place ever.
Where do you remember that place?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God, I remember, Han, that's so good, Han. That's the biggest sandwich ever, honey.
I got them for Peter and Bethany. I was
Yeah,
flying
when
to
we went to the Philippines
I stopped
2015.
over there to get them, so they have. That'll take them the whole flight to finish, and they still have some.
And you know, when we get there to the Philippines, who have the sandwich? The airport people.
So you gave them away.
Because I left my bag and the airport people. Hello, Han, is this guy turning here?
Yeah, he's doing it.
You have to let him turn first.
Okay.
What happened was I left my bag at the airport, and then these two guys running after me, and they said, Mom, you forget your bag, and what's in my bag is all the sandwich. It's all the sandwich.
That sandwich weighs about a pound and a half each.
Yeah, it's
2 pounds
big
each.
sandwich, guys. And they said, Mom, before you go, Mom, because you left this bag, we have to look what's in here, why you left it like that. And then they said, oh my God, you know what? This sandwich, guys, is from New York. It's the best sandwich ever, and you should try it because now I cannot eat it. It's from New York. Eat it. Oh, they're so happy, honey.
Yeah, I'll
You
bet.
have reached your destination on the
So the
right.
guys sa airport is sobrang happy nila kasi ano.
Only problem with it is no place to park there. You know, get a sandwich.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are here. Ito yung in-order namin, guys. This is for Mom. This is yours. Eggplant is good. Ito siya. Guys, ang init nyo dyan, guys, pero ilagay ko kayo dyan. Kasi, nagtingin-tingin ako dito, isa-shoutout ko naman yung mga nag-share ng mga videos ko. Ito sila, tignan natin yung nag-share. Sina Roselyn Zamora Ardoza, hello po. At saka si Sis Susan Tiscon Diffew, hi. Sarah Galion, hello po sa inyo, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hi to myself also kasi sinishare ko also yung mga video ko. So, hi Marian. Kumusta ka na, day? Si Shirley Tanong Binisisto. Tonog Binisisto pala yun. Okay, si Yana Ruiz, hi. Si Melds Clemen, hello po. Wilma Pirituta, hello. Si Lynn Kapambi, hello sis Lynn. Si Roselyn, yeah. At saka sino pa ba? Si Cheryl Serbo. At saka thank you guys. I really appreciate sa pag-share ninyo, guys. I really do. Kasi malaking tulong talaga yun yung nag-share kayo, guys. Thank you. Nunalyn Alaska Pasikulan, hello. Okay, sina Munoz Lani at Cheryl Serbo, hello. Sa hindi ko na babasa yung mga nagsishare, pasensya na, pero yeah. Okay, si Merlin Lagrosa. Merlin Matos, Lagrosa ka diha. Bantay ka day sa pag-share ni mo, day. Clarabel Abelgas, hello. Si Nita Suarez, Sofia Miranda, Rosila Marba, at saka si Maya Lianera Kabagnan, at saka si na yun. Hello. Thank you guys so much, guys. Yun lang yung mga shoutout natin sa mga nag-share. Mainit na yung camera. Yay, grabe ang init. Init ngayon, guys. Dito kami, sobrang init. Cushion here. Oh, what is this? Guys, may maisan pala dito, guys. Hala, may maisan man dito, guys. Ano ba tong mga mais nga humay? For Halloween, oh. Ako ng pillowcase, guys. Tingnan natin yung puti na pillowcase yung hinanap ko. Wala akong nakita. Wala man sila. Ay, hanap na lang tayo ng iba. Nahanap. Meron kami, guys. Dalawa na.
It's just no good.
No good? So, what is the supposedly the number? 18? Queen and then 18.
Go 24 if I could.
Oh, that's good. 24 is good. Because,
This
mom,
goes 18.
why you said 24?
I said I would go 24 if I could.
Oh, so that's 18?
That goes up to 18.
Hala, look at the price. I'm just
Yeah,
getting
because this goes 16. It's cheaper. Same thing, but cheaper.
18, so that's the good one, but the price is not. How about the other one, 16? 16, I think is fine.
No,
No?
it won't reach around. And it just pops off while you're sleeping.
Oh, this is nice one.
You got some ugly taste.
Wow.
It's just horrible taste.
Don't say that because you're one of them.
That's
Guys, he said I have an ugly taste. I said don't say that because you're one of them. You're one of my taste. And don't ever say that. Come here. They have fake thing. This is what I want. How much is this fake thing? How much? Tingnan natin guys magkano. Hala, it's really light.
Yes, really light. Looks really big. Okay, $30.
No, na price na. This one I like. So how much? Look at it.
$20.
That's $12. No, the other one. The other one.
This? 10.
No, the top, yeah.
12.
12. Hala, they have one over up there, oh. It's nice. That's nice. Hala, lime tree. There's no prices. Hala, $2. $2. I like the Walmart here. They have different kind of stuff. Naihi na si Tami, guys. Kaya naghanap na siya ng kaihian niya. Naihi, kawawa. Naghanap na. So, ngayon, guys, hanapin natin yung sasakyan. Kasi hindi na alam kung asan. Asan yung sasakyan. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Ito yung grocery namin. Uwi na tayo. Ang init, hindi pa kami uwi. Punta pa daw si Tami sa Home Depot. Ang init ngayon, grabe. And so tapos nito, uwi na kami. Sana hindi si Tami magtagal dun. Ang init, grabe. And, nung lumabas kami sa Walmart, may matanda, nakaupo sa gilid talaga ng daanan namin yung matraffic na ba. So, nakita namin ni Tami, we passed that guy. And then, pagkatapos na, okay, parang ano lang ba. So, naano si Tami, sobrang init. Yung mata natutulog siya sa ano at saka may sign na homeless, ganun, kailangan ng tulong, ganun. Buti na lang, red light. Dumukot si Tami ng pera sa bulsa niya and then, yun, iniwan ako, daming sasakyan. And then, iniwan ako, tumakbo siya pabalik doon. Sabi ko, bilisan mo talaga, iiwan kita talaga. So, doon, buti na lang, light matagal and then, yun, nabigay niya. Nakita ko sa, sabi pa ni Tami, hinalikan daw yung kamay niya and I saw it in the sa mirror, nakita ko sa mirror. So hinalikan yung kamay niya and yun. Anyway, I will see you later. Ang bait talaga ng Tamimoy ko. Sabi pa niya naawa daw siya dahil sobrang init ng matanda. May binigyan na ng pira. No chicken! No!
I want chicken fillet.
Ay, naku talaga na, honey. This is for human. This is not for animals. No. No.
Chicken.
Why can
Chicken.
look at that. Punch his tongue, honey. His tongue is like
Okay, you chicken.
that tiny tongue. We got the bread again, guys. I've been missing this for weeks. For 1 week. This is
Come on. Quick, make bread
this
now.
is really his bread.
Tell Mama, I want bread now.
Not now. Breakfast bag.
No. Bread.
Spoiled. Oh my god. Gee, spoiled little man.
Bread.
Spoiled little bag.
That's your little man.
Kanina na kami naglakad-lakad or nag-grocery or pumunta sa Walmart, punta sa Gina. And then, yun, wala kami sa bahay ngayong araw ngayon. So, ngayon lang kami nakauwi at saka pagod siya. Kinain ko na yung lipstick ko. Nakain na yung lipstick ko. So, yun, kain pa mo. Magluto tayo ng chayote. Chayote kasi, gusto ko to kasi tatlong klase. Merong ganito, yung parang, iwan ko kung ano yan. And ito din, meron to. At saka merong plain. May tao. Stop. Simple lang naman siya, oy. Stir fry lang. Lagyan ng toyo. Meron naman tayong manok, chicken, rotisserie chicken. So, yun yung kakainin natin for dinner. Okay guys, tapos na guys. Ito na to yung niloto natin. And, yan. Vegetables. Ito din. Kain tayo nito and then ipadala natin kay Tami yung the rest para may makain siya doon. Pagod man ako guys. Sleepy han. I'm sleepy baby. Do you need a knife honey? A real knife? Hi guys. Good evening. It's 7:38 na ng gabi. Pero hindi pa gabi. Alis na si Tami. Pinaka-the best niyang battle. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat kaayo. Daghan kayong salamat, guys, sa panunood ninyo sa mga vlog ko. Say bye-bye first, and we're gonna end this vlog.
Bye, guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We will see you guys.
Bye, guys. Doing some watering.
We will see you guys Thursday. Careful, huh? I will see him Thursday. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. I'm going to take care of personal.